Hi everyone, and Happy New Year. Welcome to another episode of Deep Driving with Ron Schwally in 2021. I am actually recording this a couple of days earlier because this popped into my head. If you've been watching my videos, you've noticed that I do talk about the immediate oppositional patterns that we as human beings tend to be programmed. Like, for example, if I say up, you say. If I say left, you say. If I say stop, you say. Okay, got it. Now, every person that said the opposite of what I said, if I said up, you said down. If I said left, you said right. If I said stop, you said go. If you said that, you all have oppositional you all have oppositional defiance disorder. My tongue is having oppositional defiance disorder right now. It's okay. We as human beings are designed to be oppositional initially. That's just our thing. Maybe it's something that's a trigger. Whatever it is, you go into a store, the person comes up to you that asks you, can I help you? And you tell them no. They walk away and you're like, why did I just do that? And what I've noticed too is that just noticing that oppositional way of being that we sometimes are just can give us an opportunity so that next time you walk into the store and the person comes up to you and says, can I help you with something? You notice your oppositional part come up and then you go, nah. Usually what I've noticed in my life that's worked for me is taking the second choice, not the first one. The first one being opposition, the second one being, oh, okay, let me try it or let me go with it. Like, think about the way that we've created words in our society. You killed it. It's the bomb. You destroyed it. She murdered. I mean, even the words that we're using to talk about great things have all of a sudden become oppositional. How insane is that? That's only been the last 20 or 30 years. It's just a shift in our society, and we can also shift it the other direction. The way I recommend you do it is just keep track of ways that you notice that you're oppositional. Like, if I said to you the up and down, the left and right, if you've been to one of my trainings and I said up, you might have said up, you might have said squirrel, you might have said potato, because you've already realized that I showed you the automatic oppositional pattern that you were in, and then at the end of the conference or workshop, we did the same thing and you broke out of that pattern. Just curious if you're one of those people, have you been still breaking out of those patterns? When your mind tells you to do something, do you immediately go, okay, got it? Or do you recognize, oh, that's just one opinion and I don't have to do what that voice in my head tells me and I can go do something else, like your second choice? That's my invitation to you. For the next day or two, maybe try that. Notice last year where you were oppositional. Notice this year. If you notice and you catch yourself being oppositional, awesome. You're a rock star. Boom, good for you. And then try to do the opposite of the oppositional and see if all of a sudden something is different and something is amazing in your life. Does that make sense? Like, maybe try it with food. You look at something, your mind has already told you, I don't like that, but you really haven't tasted it. Try it. Why not? Worst case scenario, you wash your mouth out, put some mints in it, you're fine. Best case scenario, you just discovered something new you're gonna love for the rest of your life. I felt that way the first time I tasted honey in my coffee, and that was 15 years ago. I appreciate everyone. Have an awesome rest of your day, and notice, catch yourself being oppositional. Are you oppositional? Are you not? Does it matter? Does anything matter? Have a great day.